Good morning students. Welcome to social science class. Beta, yesterday we have read about identical twins and non-identical twins. Identical twins are those who look exactly same or alike, and non-identical twins are different from the other. Now let us start the chapter. Page number 12. Okay beta, the following news report makes it clear that the members of a family may live together or far away, but they all share their joys and sorrows. Sunita Williams and her family lives in the United States. Their relative in Gujarat were sharing their fear and relief at Sunita's journey of 195 days to space. So beta, in a family, sometimes members of a family may live together with us and sometimes they live far away, but they all share their joys and sorrow. What is the meaning of sorrow? Do you know beta what is the meaning of sorrow? Sorrow means unhappiness. Now beta, there is a story that how family members share their joy and sorrow about Sunita Williams. As we all know that Sunita Williams was a famous astronaut. Now, what is the meaning of relief? Yes, what is the meaning of relief? Relief means feeling of relaxation. So, their relative in Gujarat were sharing their fear and relief, मतलब feeling of relaxation at Sunita's journey of 195 days to space. So, Sunita Williams was a famous astronaut and she born on September 1965 in United States, a NASA astronaut. She is the second woman of Indian origin after the late Kalpana Chawla who go into the space. After being selected by NASA, after married to Michael J. Williams, her family roots go back to Gujarat from her father's side, and she carried a copy of Bhagavad Gita and a small statue of Ganesha when she flew into the space on 10 December 2006 and landed back on the earth on June 22, 2007. She became the first female space traveler to have a larger space flight of 195 days. Sunita Williams lived 195 days on space. Now, as Sunita Williams ended her space journey in United States, her relatives back home in Gujarat could not stop their tears of joy. She has landed safely by the grace of God, and it is a moment of great joy for us, said Sunita's uncle. Her relatives came out on the streets and danced till daybreak, busting cracker and beating drums. So beta, when Sunita Williams went to the space and when she completed her journey after 195 days, her relatives at home in Gujarat couldn't stop their tears of joy. She had landed safely, so it was a moment of great joy for their family. So her relatives came out on the streets and danced till daybreak, busting crackers and beating drums. So beta, this is the example of Sunita Williams, that how family members share their joy and sorrow, and if they live far away or near. So beta, that is the lesson, family similarity. Beta, do you know what do you mean by family beta? What do you mean by family? Family means father and mother, I love you. Okay? So beta, now we will do the exercise of the lesson. But before exercise, firstly you look the video and listen it carefully.
Family similarities. Rohit and Mohit are twins. They were born at the same time. They look exactly alike. They are known as identical twins. But all twins do not look alike. They can also look different. Many siblings may have similar features, but they may be entirely different in their height, likes or dislikes. They may have similar way of walking or talking. Many children resemble their parents, but many do not. Some children may even resemble their uncles, aunts, or cousins. Do you know? You would find people looking at a newborn baby and commenting that his or her nose is like that of his or her father, or his or her lips are like his or her grandmother's lips. There is no hard and fast rule, but mostly the children take after their parents in height, shape of nose, color of skin, hair, eyes, etc. The similarities do not end here. Many children can confuse outsiders on the telephone with the similarity in voices. So be careful. You may be talking to your friend's father or brother and thinking that it is your friend on the line. The family environment has a great influence on a child. Our parents look after us lovingly. They teach us to be kind and grow up into good human beings. They give us education. Our grandparents also love and teach us good habits like sharing and patience. It is our duty to obey and respect our parents and elders. Along with family values and good habits, children also learn many skills from the family members. Do you know? Ustad Zakir Hussain started playing tabla at the age of 3 as he had enjoyed watching his father, Ustad Allah Rakha, playing it.
I hope now you have understood the lesson clearly. Now we will do the exercise of this lesson. Tick the correct option. The twins who look same are, beta. Yes, beta, tell me, identical twins, non-identical twins or fraternal twins? Yes, beta, tell me. Yes, that is identical twins. The twins who look same are identical twins. Now the second one is family member can have similarity in eating habits, voice or both. Yes, beta, tell me. Yes, family member can have similarity in both eating habits and voice. Now the next, Sunita Williams is a famous sports person, astronaut, singer. Yes, of course, that is a astronaut. Now the fourth one is a famous personality who has followed the footsteps of his father. Yes, beta, tell me, Sachin Tendulkar, Milkha Singh, Rohan Gavaskar. Yes, Rohan Gavaskar. Okay, beta, you have to take on your book. Now we will do the filling the blanks. Members of a family often dash each other, often resemble each other. But resemble means same to same each other. Many twins look dash, but some twins exactly alike. Some twins look exactly alike and some twins look different. Now the third one is the dash of one family member affect the other member. Yes, of course, the action of one family member affect the other member. Now the next one, fourth one, many children resemble their grandparents, uncle, aunts and cousin. Now the fifth one, in some families the food habits of the member may be similar. So that is the filling the blanks and you have to fill. Now the matching of the match true or false. Write true or false for the statements given below. Identical twins look different. Different, that is true or false, beta? Tell me, that is true or false? Yes, that is a false. Identical twins look same, not different. Now the second one is all family members have a similar voice. Yes, that is true. No beta, that is a false. If parents are told, their child is bound to be told. That is good. That is true. No beta, that is also a false. Okay, now the fourth one. The likes and dislikes of family member are never similar. So that is also a false. So you have to write. Okay beta. Now you have to learn the exercise and write and learn the exercise of the lesson. Okay, tomorrow we will do the question answer of that lesson. Okay, till then, bye bye.